Hi everyone, so this is the free sample product that I received recently from HomeTesterClub.com, which is a cooking oil from the brand Freedom, and this is actually a mustard oil. And I never tried cooking with mustard oil, but I used mustard oil for pickles most of the time. So the weight of this one is 1 liter, and the price of this is, as you can see, it's 140 rupees. And the manufacturing date is also last month only, which is June 2018. I haven't received I think from them a free sample from few months now. So how did I get this free sample? First is you should be a member of HomeTesterClub.com, and they will email you if there's a product that you can register for sample. So this is the email that I received from HomeTesterClub.com. I received this email on July 1, and what I did is just click this register now, and then it guided me through a short survey that I have to fill that took me like 1 minute or less. So this, as you can see here, says participate for Freedom Mustard Cooking Oil. So the sample arrived 2 days ago. That was July 20th. But this email, I think I filled the survey form 2 weeks ago. So they really sent it so fast. So let me just show you a quick video on how it looks like when there's an available product for registration. So right now I'm on my account. So it says here, participate in this free trial of green tea, complete the survey and stand a chance to receive free product of green tea. So you'll just have to click this register now, and then it will ask you some questions. So the first question is, which one of the below describes you the best? Live my life to the fullest without worrying. Okay, I'm health inclined and so. Do you agree to share your honest feedback after the trial? Yes. So that's it. The survey is done, registration submitted, so that's it. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on my next video.